Right now that I have the sill panels mostly fitted where I want them to be, I can finish up the understructure and get it coated and ready to cover up. I still need to finish up the rear sections of the structure. And this is the driver's side, which I haven't cut completely apart, but I'm going to use it as a template for the other side. So the idea is to get the structure here finished and get the panels somewhat in place, but going to copy this structure back to the other side when I'm done with this and get those panels ready to put on as well before I finish covering these up. Just so I have something to go by. Get it all done. So that's where we're going to start now. Right, so I've cut away all the rust in this area, and I'm going to start filling it in using the other side as a pattern. So shape this part right and get this all formed and get it all to fit with this new patch panel. This is a really important piece right here. It keeps water from draining behind the panels, so I need to make sure that the inner fender is complete, doesn't have any holes or damage. I need it to match up with the outer fender patch so that when it's all welded in place, there isn't any gaps, so that I can seal it up so there won't get any moisture. Alright, now I got to finish the front understructure. This area right here, and there's a support piece that ties in with, I think, with the jack mount. Alright, so here's the other side, and what I'm trying to copy. Need to replace this on the other side, and I got to finish the inside of the fender for the fender. Alright, so I got all the understructure done and the inner fenders about where I want them to be for right now. The panels fit. They're really close, but before I weld everything on, I'm going to do all of the other side and get it all caught up to where I'm at with this side, so that I can make sure that everything matches on both sides, so the car's symmetric. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.